chosen representatives for this historic event. You have been selected as your country's future. Enjoy the experience for what it is at its essence, a celebration of athleticism, of life, and youth.
When I found out I made the team, I cried and I screamed and I shook and my parents cried. Everyone at home is so proud of me. I mean, it's huge to be a part of this and know that I'm a part of cheerleading history. Here we go.
This experience has been really great. It's been my team's dream to come here and compete, and we've seen all different types of teams, and they're all very different and fun.
Although not everyone speaks the same language, we do have the same interests of cheerleading, so we do all understand, and it's just the people that you meet and the fun that you have with each other. Everyone's so friendly, and you all have something in common, because here it's like we're a big family. You know, everyone's still loving what they're doing and everyone's having a great time.
Put your hands together for the People's Republic of China. Colombia. Slovenia. Team Mexico.